Hi guys, I'm just going to show you a quick tutorial of simplifying one of your 3D scans and then taking it through the Virteasy Editor. So here we can just click behind, I click A to select everything and delete to get rid of it. Then I go File, Import and choose the type of model I'm using. So I'm using a PLY. Find it on my computer, and there it is. And then it's going to take a few moments to load because this file that I've chosen is huge. So I need to reduce the quality of it so that I can use the entire thing and work on it without having to wait for it to load and process. So once it's in, I actually need to zoom out because it's so big. And then what I'm going to do from here is bottom right on this toolbar, there's modifier properties, click that, add modifier, and then I'm going to click decimate. I want collapse, which is the default one normally, and the ratio I'm working down from 1 to collapse all the triangles. So I'm going to do 0.6, and when I click enter, you'll see the face count has reduced massively, and the quality of the image has not really been that impacted. So I'm going to go ahead and click apply, and there we go, that's done. So if I want to, I can leave Blender there. Click File, Export, and then I'm going to export it back in PLY. And see, I'm going to overlay this one, the Blender export. I'm going to take off the modifiers, the normals, and the vertex colors. And now I'm going to load up Meshmixer. I know a lot of you use this already for your printers. And here, click Import. Choose the Blender export, and it brings it up quite nicely. Then I like to just keep the top nice and smooth. So I'm going to line it up, click Edit, and click Plane Cut. There it is. Then I'm just going to follow this closely to the top and cut in one direction, and you'll see that highlights the bottom. So I'm going to disregard the top. I just click Apply. It does a remeshed fill, and now we're looking pretty good. Last thing, do edit, make solid. That's just going to fill all the holes and check for any errors and make sure that this was in printable quality, which is exactly what we're looking for in Virteasy Editor as well. So we click Accept, export this, Meshmixer export, I'm going to call it.